How is AI influencing the surge in tech layoffs? In 2026, AI has advanced so rapidly that it can perform many routine tech tasks faster and cheaper than humans. From coding assistants to automated testing and even customer support bots, companies rely on AI to streamline operations. This automation means fewer jobs for roles once considered essential, leading to significant layoffs in those areas. The shift is not just about efficiency, but survival in a competitive market. AI doesn't just replace jobs, it changes the kind of work companies need. Skills in AI development, data science, and machine learning are skyrocketing in demand. Meanwhile, traditional roles like manual coding or infrastructure maintenance are shrinking. Workers who cannot quickly adapt or reskill face layoffs as companies prioritize talent aligned with AI-driven innovation. Beyond technology, global economic pressures in 2026 also push companies to tighten budgets. AI offers a way to reduce headcount without sacrificing output, making layoffs a tempting solution. The convergence of AI capabilities and economic uncertainty creates a perfect storm, accelerating job cuts across tech firms worldwide. It's not all bleak. AI generates demand for new jobs in areas like AI ethics, regulatory compliance, and advanced research. Companies need experts to guide responsible AI use and maintain transparency. So while some roles disappear, others emerge, reshaping the tech workforce landscape. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.